people may assume that when you invest into bond or fixed income investment, it will continue to grow. Then we expect a return about, say, maybe 4% or 5% return. But we need to know it is not guaranteed that bond fund every year will give us 3 or 4% return. Even though it's more stable and less volatile compared to an equity fund, there is still a volatility of a bond fund. At certain economic cycle, the bond price may become more volatile and may even drop during this period of time. I want to explain to you how we look at bond investment when we invest in Malaysia. When we look at bond investment, we don't look at 6 month or 1 year return or investment. When we ask a client to invest in bond, the bond fund is supposed to serve as a buffer, as supposed to a cushion to diversify against the equity fund. And we are looking at not a 6 month or 1 year return of the bond fund. We are looking at medium term or long term average return about 3 to 4 or 5% of a bond fund, and to remain something relatively more stable compared to equity fund. Say for example in 2020 in March, equity can go down, say negative 30%. Bonds still go down, but bond may go down only like 5% or even 6%. So that's why I know whenever we invest, we do not want to see our investment lose money. But when we take money from fixed deposit, which we do not lose money from the absolute amount, to invest into bond, to invest in equity, we see volatility. But if we are practicing holistic investing, we got to learn to aim for a average return of the particular asset class over 3 to 5 or even 10 years period, rather than looking at 6 month short period of time, because that will distract you from proper investing. That will distract you from looking at the asset class in its true nature. I would say that do not worry, because with a proper holistic financial plan in place, you'll be able to adjust, you'll be able to adapt your investment strategy very effectively, no matter what environment or what economic cycle that we are going through. If money is important to you, please remember to subscribe to my channel.